We are committed to being a part of the solution to climate change. Our innovations are constantly being adapted to address these challenges. Pro Mobile is a relatively powerful and compact mobile charging station that offers flexibility needed in today's dynamic work environments.
This is an emission-free construction site. Excavators are electric, and we have our charging station from Plugit here. Here we charge our excavators, our coming trucks, and everything.
If you're measuring the machinery, they are around 18–19% of the total CO2 emission. We must working on every plans to lower the CO2 emissions. The challenge of recharging that you need to get the charging from the old electrical network. That means that we have only 63 amp or 32 amps.
Pro Mobile is suitable for all industries and companies as a temporary solution or booster for a low grid power connection. Pro Mobile offers both fast DC charging up to 270 kilowatts and AC slow charging for overnight charging.
We have not enough of power, and we have not enough of big cables here. We have no transformator stations. We have the small one, who is building up on 1950s, 60s. So that means that we need to go harder forward with enough of power.
The landscape of EV charging infrastructure is rapidly changing. As more and more industries embrace EVs, entirely new requirements are emerging. Fixed charging stations may not always be the most suitable solution. The key is having a solution that is movable, quick to start up, and the third one is it should be powerful enough for DC charging also at the locations where the grid power is limited. Pro Mobile integrates Plugit's intelligent DC charger cube with the Northvolt's most advanced battery technology.
I hope to prove at 63 amps and good enough. And if we have new technology of smart battery storage, smart recharging of the machine, we can scale it up for many places here in Stockholm City. So that's my dream.
So it's actually Stockholm's first emission-free construction site, and we are very proud about that. So we have two diggers at the moment. One you can see in the background, it's Elsa. We are researching the 63 ampere we have from the electricity power in Stockholm, and then we have a grid and function where we restore the electricity, and then we can supercharge our machine. So we always have the powers. The whole environment that we are changing and going from like fossil-free to emission-free, and that it's possible in 2024 to have a construction site that is emission-free. It's very cool.